Welcome to the spoken tutorial on vegetarian recipes for 12 to 18-month-old babies. In this tutorial, we will learn to prepare a few nutrient-rich vegetarian recipes. Babies after 1 year of age grow steadily. Their nutrient requirements increase with age. To meet these requirements, a variety of nutrient-dense food should be given. They require around 1010 kilocalories per day. The amount of food a baby needs depends on their activity and growth pattern. More about complementary food has been explained in another tutorial. Please visit our website for these tutorials. Now, let us see the preparation of some vegetarian recipes. Our first recipe is Barnyard Millet Uttapam. To make this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of barnyard millet, 1 tablespoon of black gram, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, 1/4 chopped tomato, and 3 teaspoons roasted sesame seeds. I will use 1.5 teaspoon of the seeds for one uttapam. This recipe will make 2 uttapams. You will also need a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon ghee. Procedure: wash and soak barnyard millet and black gram together for 8 hours. Later, grind them into a smooth thick paste. Do not make the paste watery. Transfer this into a bowl and leave to ferment for 7 to 8 hours in a warm place. Once the batter is fermented, add carrot, tomato and salt. Mix everything well. Now, heat ghee in a pan and pour a spoonful of the batter and spread it evenly. Once the uttapam is partially cooked, add 1.5 teaspoon of sesame seeds over it. Cover with a lid and cook again for 3 to 4 minutes. Barnyard millet uttapam is ready. If barnyard millet is not available, you can use finger millet or sorghum. Kodo millet or little millet can also be used. The second recipe is foxtail millet khichdi. To make this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon green gram sprouts, 2 tablespoons of foxtail millet, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped tomato, and 2 to 3 finely chopped cauliflower florets. You will also need half teaspoon crushed black pepper, pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon carom seeds, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon ghee. First I will tell you the procedure for sprouting. Soak green gram overnight. Next day, strain and tie them in a muslin cloth. Leave it in a warm place for 6 to 8 hours or until sprouts appear. Keep the sprouts aside for later use. Simultaneously, wash and then soak foxtail millet for 8 to 10 hours. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker. Add carom seeds and saute for a few minutes. To this add onions and saute until they turn light brown in color. Next add cauliflower and chopped tomato. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. To this add the soaked foxtail millet and sprouted green gram. Mix well, add salt, spices and 1 cup water. Pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles on a medium flame. Allow the pressure to be released and transfer the khichdi into a bowl. Foxtail millet khichdi is ready. If foxtail millet is not available, you can use kodo millet or little millet. Barnyard millet can also be used. The next recipe is green peas and paneer cutlet. To make this recipe, you will need half cup green peas, half cup crumbled paneer, 1 tablespoon roasted Bengal gram flour, 2 tablespoons grated beetroot, and 2 tablespoons grated carrot. You will also need 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon ghee. Procedure: steam the green peas in a steamer for 6 to 10 minutes. Allow the peas to cool. Grind the paneer and peas into a coarse mixture. Take out the mixture in a bowl. To this, add gram flour, beetroot, carrot, spices, and salt. Mix everything well. Divide the mixture and make 4 cutlets out of it. Heat ghee in a pan and fry the cutlets on both sides until they turn light brown. Green peas and paneer cutlets are ready. The fourth recipe that we will see is mixed sprout stir fry. To make this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons green gram sprouts, 2 tablespoons of moth bean sprouts, 2 tablespoons Bengal gram sprouts, 1 tablespoon freshly grated coconut, 1/4 chopped onion, and 1/4 chopped tomato. You will also need 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander seed powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon ghee. The procedure for sprouting has been explained earlier in this tutorial. Please follow the same method. Note that different ingredients take different time to sprout. Hence, soak the 3 different beans separately. Let us proceed. Pressure cook the sprouts for 3 whistles. Allow the steam to release and then open the lid of the cooker. Heat ghee in a pan, add cumin seeds and saute them well. Now add the onions and saute till they turn golden brown in color. To this, add tomato and cook till it turns soft. Add the cooked sprouts, salt and spices and let it cook for 5 minutes. Lastly, add coconut and mix well. Mixed sprout stir fry is ready. All these recipes are rich in protein, magnesium, calcium, and good fats. Include these recipes in your baby's daily diet for good health. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining.